Hey guys, Kevin with WaterMonster here, and today we're going to talk about our UltraSpout touch-free water dispenser. Now, it's been brought to our attention that there's a few Gatorade coolers out there in which it doesn't fit. So today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. Let's take a look. So the issue is most common coolers have a 7/8 opening for their spigots, but some of the Gatorade coolers have a 1/2-inch opening. As we take a closer look, the Gatorade cooler has the 1/2-inch spigot here. This is a common igloo spigot that's about 3/4 of an inch, and then here's an UltraSpout. You'll notice that they're both about the same diameter, and the Gatorade cooler one is smaller. So now we're gonna go ahead and drill out the cooler to make it to where these two will fit. We offer a drill bit that's the exact right size to enlarge the hole so your UltraSpout will fit. And if you ever wanna go back to a regular spigot, we also offer the larger spigot so it'll fit correctly. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So for testing purposes, we had to already drill this hole out to make sure it was gonna work. But it's really simple. Just take your drill bit, punch all the way through, and the hole will be the exact size that you need to fit your UltraSpout. Now that your factory Gatorade spigot is obsolete, we do offer a common igloo spigot with all the hardware so it'll fit in perfectly if you ever decide to go back. So now take the UltraSpout and remove the rubber gasket. You're gonna put it on the inside. Go ahead and insert it into the cooler. Insert the rubber gasket and then tighten the nut. Make sure you've got a good secure fit. Okay, Gatorade meet the UltraSpout. Problem solved. Let's test it. Works like a champ. Okay guys, that's a wrap. Problem solved. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, just call me directly. I'm happy to help. Thanks again.